In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a background image to an element on Framer. The process I'm about to discuss is an enjoyable and creative one that will breathe life into your designs through the use of engaging imagery. First, we need to select the element that we want to enhance with an image. This could be a frame, a section, or any other element within your design. Just click on it to select it. This will highlight the selected element and prepare it for changes. Next, it is time to open the Styles panel. On the right-hand side of your screen, you will see various tabs. Find the one labeled Styles and click on it. This action opens the panel where we will work on the evolution of your selected element. Positioned within the Styles panel, you will encounter a property named Fill. This property allows you to modify the fill of the selected element. In our case, we want to change it from a standard color to a vibrant image. Click the drop-down or the icon right next to Fill to explore the options hidden therein. By now, we are ready to select our image. Navigate to the Image option that emerged from the Fill drop-down and click on it. Your click opens an image uploader from where you can select the perfect image out of your personal library saved on your computer. You can also drag and drop your desired image directly into the Fill area. In case you don't have an image ready, don't worry. You have the entire Unsplash library at your fingertips. Just click the Unsplash button to browse and select from a plethora collection of free and fascinating images. Finally, we have reached the stage where we can adjust the image to perfection. Once the image has been added to your selected element, you will see additional options appear for adjustments. This is where your creativity comes into play. You can experiment with the properties such as tiling and scale until you are content with the final appearance of your element. This sums up the process of adding a background image to an element in Framer. Through these systematic steps, I believe we have provided what could have been an ordinary design with a whole new life and energy. Not only does an image add aesthetic appeal, but it can also subtly convey a message or theme that enhances the overall experience of your viewers. Even though our tutorial has ended, remember the process of learning and experimenting never stops. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly,